Hello everyone, we're back on Kerbal Space Program. This time we're gonna try to land on the moon. The epic feat of trying to come down and touch down on this big rock. So, we are in position, which means now we can speed up a bit. It's gonna be a 7-second burn since it's a bit bigger than what we did before. But luckily, unlike last time, we are in position for it. And so, here we go. Wow, so it's been 2 days since we left that launch pad. Of course, we've sped up that time, but it's about the right amount of time that NASA took on its flight to the moon. 3 days for them. But, again, they use different rockets. So, this seems reasonable, what we've done. Let's start speeding down time. Okay. So in 40 minutes, we're going to start descending towards a really, really tight orbit around the moon, which we need in order to make a good landing on it. So there's the sun way out there. And stars. Okay, here we go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. And follow it. X. Oh gosh, what did I do? That's pretty tight. Actually, oh crud. Slight problem. We're in for a crash course. Okay. That's not a problem. We'll just, if we can we add a maneuver to keep us from doing that? Oh wait, first we need to take out this node. We need to take out this node. Okay. Go here, because we don't have a periapsis anymore, which isn't really good. We'll do that. That looks good. So, we'll just do a 2-second burn again. Oh man, I'm out of control. Okay. Those guys in there must be really happy. I wish there was a button in this game that could let you go like full speed. That would be really helpful. Let's go 5. Well, luckily now I'm not escaping its orbit. But the problem is that now I'm heading for a crash course into the moon. So that's not the best scenario. But I mean, it could be worse. So maybe at 2 minutes I'll start slowing it down. Oh, this isn't good. You can see how close I'm getting, guys. Really, this is never what you want to have happen. Okay. At T minus 1 second, I'll be doing this. Okay. Here we go, guys. Oh man. It's gonna be crazy. Five, 4, 2. There. That's good. Okay. And now, when we're at our periapsis, which would be right here, what we could do... Oh, wait a second. First we need to remove this one. And then periapsis. We want to do... Oh, crud. We want to bring that one in, actually. All the way in. To make one last adjustment to this orbit. It's right on snug in there. That looks pretty circular. We'll do that. Okay. So it's gonna be a 12-second burn. And we need to get to that position pronto. Because that's only gonna be in 19 minutes. Luckily, SAS works really well on the ship. It keeps it very steady. So let's speed up time a bit. Until we're about 3 minutes and downgrade the time once again. Okay. So you can see, there's the moon. I already have guys on the moon, actually. 6 of them, but I don't know where they went. I hope they're still alive. That was the problem, is that, what happens is that I try to land and there's no atmosphere, so you can't use a parachute. And so what you need to do is you need to put a little bit of thrust as you're landing, or else you'll slam into the ground. But you don't want that. But these landing gears usually keep you up okay. You just want to touch down gently. Very gently. Oh. Stretching again. Okay, so let's see. How are we doing on resources? Electric power is at... Oh, it's almost full. So that's pretty good. Liquid fuel, we're about half. Oxidizer, half. Monoprop, 3/4. Okay, not bad. Oh gosh. I need to look into what an oxidizer is. I need to make sure that I'm doing everything correctly. At least for later flights, especially like once to Mars. I know that oxidizing is important to keep your ship intact. It's part of the game, so it's got to be important in its own way. What's cool is that this game is actually in beta, so it's not even it's actually not a game yet, like a publicly produced game. But yet, I think it's very cool in how they're constantly updating it. Have new things, new equipment, new rocket parts and stuff. There's tons of mods already on this, so those are fun to play with. But you want to be careful just to make sure that they have no glitches or, bugs associated with them. Okay, we want to start at T minus 6 seconds, so we get an even burn. We're at 17 seconds. T-minus 17 seconds. Here we go. Okay, 6 seconds. We'll make the burn. There. And ready to exit. X. Impressive. Okay, so not bad. We actually have a really tight orbit around this thing. Okay, so now I guess cool. So now we're really close to getting to the moon. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to figure out where we want to land on this. It looks like, okay, so the sun is over there. We would probably want to land somewhere on like around here. Add maneuver. And when we are ready, we're going to shorten it until it touches down. Oh wait, hold on. Actually, I take that back. What we want to do, actually, is we want to start the maneuver right here. Right where, yes, and then we're going to lose the periapsis. We're actually going to land like right there. Perfect. That's just where we need to be. So when we're ready, we want to land somewhere around here. Actually, yeah. Wait, does it have? No, let's adjust that a bit. Let's make it a little shorter. Just so that we don't have a periapsis. That will do. Okay, so when we are ready, we have to make this burn. It should be literally a 1 second burn. The shortest burn you could probably ever have in this game. And then it's touchdown time. So here we go. This is getting ready to land on the moon. Thank you all for watching, and I really am excited to do this. I'm sure you guys are too. So thank you all for watching. Watch the next video and watch us touchdown. Thank you, and please subscribe to Raven Brothers channel, and see you next time. This has been Kerbal Space Program.